Law enforcement, unfortunately, has to engage in that on a daily basis.
Jennifer Szymanski with Cleat says pointing or firing their guns is just part of the job for law enforcement officers.
In situations such as clearing a building on an alarm call, you're going to enter that building with your weapon drawn.
In Texas, there's a criminal charge related to firearms called deadly conduct. It reads a person commits an offense if he recklessly engages in conduct that places another in imminent danger of serious bodily injury. She says as it's currently written, the law could be interpreted to make any cop guilty for just doing their job.
Instead of just moving on and allowing that officer to continue working, they use this catch-all deadly conduct.
Texas State Representative Cole Hefner says that simply isn't the law's intent.
You know, we've seen officers that had to engage in deadly conduct, be it with their firearm or whatever, and be found innocent of murder, and then the prosecutors say, okay, we're just going to prosecute you for this deadly conduct.
He's pushing legislation which would carve exceptions for law enforcement using their guns within the necessary and legal scope of their jobs.
We want to protect them in doing the official duties of their job from these prosecutors that may be a little bit politically motivated sometimes.
Chaz Moore with the Austin Justice Coalition says the legislation takes us backwards.
We just want to make sure that cops, when they do something bad, can actually hold people accountable.
He believes officers relying on their guns so much is exactly part of the problem.
Like, they're just okay with, like, yeah, we have to use our guns anyway. Or we shoot our guns every day. We point our guns at people every day.
He fears that instead of holding cops like Christopher Taylor accountable, this bill will do the opposite.
With this piece of legislation, I don't even see the point in trying to hold a cop accountable for when they overstep, which we know they do because they always have done.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.